Recently we saw index rallying towards 11,550, 11,600 levels, and from there we saw some profit booking coming in. If you look at the index futures activity, we were seeing that there were decent, in fact there were good amount of long positions which were formed during the series, and the positions were quite long heavy, and as anticipated, we did saw some profit booking from the higher levels, and now 11,300, 350 was a immediate support, and from there we are seeing some buying interest coming in. If we look at the options activity for today's session, we saw decent unwinding 11,500, 11,600 call option. At the same time, we saw fresh writing in 11,400, 11,500 strike. So certainly this is a very good indication for the market. At the same time, if you look at the overall position, we are on the long side. We are seeing fresh writing happening in 11,600 strike. So mostly we are heading above 11,600 for this series. So any dip now shall be an opportunity to add on fresh longs. One can buy 11,450 call option if we get in dip, and one can stay long for at least for the March series. Now, if you look at the individual counters, we are liking IndusInd Bank. Recently, IndusInd Bank has been showing very nice longs in the future segment. At the same time, if you look at the cash activity, there are decent volumes. Now, once again, after some consolidation, this counter is showing strength. We expect it to rally towards 1770 with the stop loss of 1670. Apart from this, we are liking Century Textile. If you look at the daily chart, this counter is having an immediate resistance at current levels, which is mainly because of the falling trend line. And now we expect it to surpass these levels, as today's activity was quite good. In fact, we have also seen decent long formation in future segment. So one can buy this counter also for the target of 980 and a stop loss of 880.